Check the actuator rod tolerances against the projection.
Reading green across the board. Looks good for integration.
The scoring operation is precise, determining the exact volume for the primary forging process versus smaller sections reserved for precision machining.
The primary block undergoes X-ray fluorescence spectrometry, ensuring the precise elemental composition required for the A-10C Thunderbolt II. The robotic sorting gate directs the massive primary blocks toward the forging zone, while the secondary blocks are routed for precision.
The massive primary titanium blocks are loaded into the induction furnace. This preheating phase is crucial for conditioning the solid metal before forging.
In this highly sterile factory zone, the titanium alloy blocks are submerged into automated ultrasonic cleaning baths.
The massive primary titanium block, now glowing a deep, uniform cherry red, is automatically
This precise material movement is crucial for eliminating internal porosity and achieving the complex internal ribbing.
These details are critical for seamless integration with the forward fuselage of the A-10C Thunderbolt II, and for distributing impact energy effectively.
The newly forged titanium bathtub armor is moved into a controlled, automated cooling chamber, where its temperature is reduced slowly and uniformly.
The high-velocity gas gun tests the titanium's legendary toughness. This ballistic material is essential for the A-10C.
This optimized microstructure confirms the material's superior strength and ductility, which is directly responsible for its ability.
The armor undergoes acid passivation, removing metallic debris and creating a stable, protective oxide layer to
The tolerances on the starboard side look good.
Yes, the automatic cleaning is precise. We can proceed with the integration.
Failure of these specialized fasteners would compromise the critical pilot protection system, highlighting why every detail in aerospace assembly is vital.
Just a little to the left.
Okay, I see green on 7 and 8.
Looks good, lock it down.
Verification complete. The digital record now holds the exact torque value for the titanium armor, a critical step in aerospace production.
The controlled curing process ensures maximum adhesion and durability, protecting the forged titanium bathtub.
The stamp signifies that the forged titanium bathtub armor, Process A, is fully inspected, certified, and ready for final mating.
The completed A-10C Thunderbolt II forward fuselage sections, featuring the integrated forged titanium bathtub armor.
Abrasive stones and specialized belts polish the cylindrical surface to a mirror finish, achieving the ultra-low surface.
The intense ultrasonic action meticulously removes all microscopic metal particles, oils, and contaminants.
Technicians inspect the rods under UV light, searching for subsurface flaws. This critical, non-destructive
The laser precisely engraves a unique serial number, ensuring full traceability, a mandatory requirement for the A-10C Thunderbolt II.
Certified precision machine titanium actuator rods are individually sealed within hermetic, nitrogen-filled protective plastic sleeves by an automated sealing machine.
These kits are crucial for the A-10C Thunderbolt II. They are scanned and weighed to ensure 100% inventory accuracy and traceability.
torque is good on the flap linkage.
Aileron movement confirmed. Smooth and precise.
Robotic arms apply structural sealant and protective panels over the A-10C wing's internal compartments. This seals the air.
Ailerons, full deflection. Cycling flaps now. Rudder sweep initiated. All surfaces green.
As the control surface is commanded, the highly polished titanium rod moves smoothly in and out of its housing, demonstrating
As the A-10C climbs, the precision machined titanium actuator rods make minute adjustments, critical for stability.
the A-10C executes a high G maneuver, stressing the airframe. But the precision machine
As the pilot navigates the low altitude pass, the hydraulic strut pressure remains perfectly stable, a testament to the
Readings look good from here. Control surface actuator is clear.
Copy that, confirming process B integrity. The actuator rod is pristine, demonstrating the superior quality of the titanium alloy and precision machining. Fully serviced and loaded, the A-10 stands ready. Its resilience relies on precision components, ensuring absolute control.
lead, confirm actuator response check. Solid minor adjustment, holding steady, passing waypoint in 3.
Demonstrating the successful fulfillment of the entire production pipeline. So the lab will perform